Welcome back. If you're seeing Twitch network error 2000, it usually means there's a problem with your network connection while trying to watch streams. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix this issue quickly. First, check your network connection. Make sure your internet is stable and try restarting your router if needed. An unstable connection often causes this error. Next, use a supported browser. Twitch works best on Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Make sure your browser is updated and clear cache and cookies to prevent compatibility issues. You can also update your DNS settings. Use Google's DNS servers, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. This helps your device connect properly to Twitch servers. Another step is to disable browser extensions and ad blockers. Some extensions can interfere with Twitch and cause network errors. Disable them temporarily to see if the problem goes away. Finally, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes strict settings block Twitch connections. Allow Twitch through your firewall and antivirus to ensure smooth access. That's it. Following these steps should fix Twitch network error 2000 and get you back to watching your favorite streams. If this helped, leave a comment below and let others know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.